Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. So it's very easy to do. All you need to do, just go to your store at the top right corner, and you'll find basically here all the stores that you have. As you can see, I do have 3 stores and all of them are active. So just go to all stores right here. As you can see below all the stores that you have, click on all stores. And here you'll find all the stores. You'll find the active and inactive ones. So if you want to create a new store, just go and click on create a store. You can go through the setup again. Once you're done, for me, I'm just going to skip all of it. So once you're done, you should find yourself with your new store. As you can see, I had 3 before. So now if I click at the top right corner, I should find 4. And you can keep going forever. You don't have a limitation even at the free plan. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.